Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you some of the features in Google Drive for desktop. So I'm going to download the Google Drive for desktop here. I'm going to click on it. Computer I'm using is Windows 11. So you're going to get two options here. So the first option is add an application shortcut to your desktop. And what this does, it installs shortcut to your Google Drive. So I'm going to check this. So the second option, it will add shortcuts to your desktop for Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. So I'm going to leave it checked. I'm going to click install and it's going to create icons here. It created a Google Doc shortcut, Google Sheets and Google Slides shortcut, and this is the Google Drive icon. So you have to sign in with your browser. I'm going to click sign in with browser. You want to click sign in and it's done. So to access the Google Drive, you just want to click on the Google Apps grid icon here, and this is the Google Drive. Click on it. So these are all my files and folders in my Google Drive account. So when you log onto your Google Drive, it creates a drive in your computer. So I'm going to open File Explorer. I'm going to click on it. So on the left side, click on this PC, and as you can see, this is the Google Drive. It creates a drive and the name of the drive is G. I can open this and I'll have shared drives, my drive. I'll double click my drive and these are all my folders and files. So you can access your files and folders right from your desktop. So this is Google Drive on my local computer and this is Google Drive from the web. So I have a Word document in my Google Drive and I'm going to open this from my computer. I'm going to double click the Word document and it opens in Microsoft Word, because I have Microsoft Office installed in my computer. So in the website, this is the same Word document. I'm going to open it. It does not open in Microsoft Word, but it opens up in Google Docs. So I'm going to copy some files in my Google Drive, and this Google Drive is in my computer. So to copy files to your Google Drive in your local computer, you just need to open up the Google Drive and just drag the files or folders. So I'm going to copy this file. It's a notepad file. So this is an Excel file. I'm just going to drag it over, click copy. So for it to show up on the Google Drive on the web, I just have to click refresh and it's here. This is the cam.txt file. This is the Excel file. So it takes a few seconds for it to be synced. Create new folders here. This is Google Drive in my computer. I can just right click anywhere in a space, click new and click folder and type a name of the folder. And I can also open this folder and copy files in there and it will sync here. And as you can see, it's here already, data folder. So this is Google Drive from the web. Now on the left side, this is my drive and this is where all the files and folders are stored. And there's a drop down tab here. My folders are listed here. So if you want to create like another folder, you can also right click my drive and you'll see new folder. You can also upload file, folder upload, and you can create new docs or sheets or slides, and there's also forms. You can also right click in the space and you have the same menu options here. So I can also right click my drive. I can create a shared folder. Click new folder. I'm going to type a name, shared, click create, and it's here. I can right click that folder, click share. So here I can add people and groups and I can give them access to this shared folder. For example, I'm going to share it with this person and it's a Gmail account. And on the right side there's editor, there's viewer, commenter and editor. So editor has most of the rights where they can organize, add and edit files. And I can notify them and I can type a message here. And I can also copy a link to the shared folder here just by clicking this copy link and send it to them. Now on the lower right side, there's also a Google Drive icon. I'll just click on it and it shows me activities and notifications. These are the files I copied over and it is synced. There's a search icon here. I can click on it and I can search files and folders in my Google Drive. There's also a gear icon and this is a settings icon. When I click on that, I have these menu options, preferences, offline files, error list and pause sync. And I'm going to click on preferences. So on the right side, click on the avatar icon and I can add another account here. There's also the gear icon. When I click on that, I can disconnect the account, and I have these other options here. See if someone else is editing a shared Microsoft Office file. So this is the drive letter. So there's a drop down tab, and I can change the drive letter of the Google Drive that's on my PC just by selecting any one of these. This is the folder option. When I click on that, I can stream Google Drive files to a folder on my computer. And this is the Google Photos. So there are more features here that you can read up. So on the left side, this is my computer. There's also the Google Drive folders from my drive. Click on that. Now I have two options here. This is the My Drive Sync options. This is the stream files and mirror files. So with the stream files, I store all my drive files in the cloud only. And it says here the streaming uses less hard drive disk space. So with mirror files, it stores all your drive files in the cloud and in your computer. So it mirrors the files from your PC and the cloud. With this option, mirror files, your files are automatically available offline. So if you don't have internet, for example, the internet goes down, your files will be available in your computer. So with these shortcuts, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So for example, I'm going to click on Google Docs, and this is going to take me straight to my Google Drive, and it will show me all my Google Doc that are in my drive. So if I do the same thing with Google Sheets, it will show me all Google Sheet files. So this is the Google Drive shortcut. To open it, I just have to double click on it and it will open my Google Drive. I'll click on My Drive and all my data is here. And this drive is located in my PC and the name of the drive is J. So I'll open File Explorer. On the left side, click this PC and this is the drive, Google Drive. So I'm logged into my Google Drive here. You can copy files and folders to your Google Drive in the cloud just by dragging your files. So I'm going to drag this PDF document in my Google Drive. I just drag it here, and this is the file here. I can also do that with a folder. I can just drag the folder and it's copied. So you can also upload files and folders just by clicking on the drop down tab under My Drive, and there's an option for file upload and folder upload. So I'll click on file upload. File is on my desktop and I'm going to upload this Excel file. Highlight it, click open. It's uploaded. So I can do this also with a folder. So I'll upload this folder, folder 1. That's on my desktop. Click on the drop down tab, select folder upload, select folder 1, click upload, and the folder is uploading and the folder is here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.